Mabuhay! Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to try crispy pata. Are we hungry? Kumusta? Kain tayo. Look at that. Crispy. Alright guys, with my crispy pata, which is pork leg if you didn't know, I have three sauces. I have the soy sauce, I have the tomato sauce, and I have the vinegar with the red onion. It's very popular in the Philippines. It seems like everything has vinegar or soy sauce with it, and this is no exception. So I'm going to try this one first. Let's have a little bit of onion with there. Delicious. I love spicy vinegar. Masa wrap. It's been cooked, it's been boiled for several hours to make it very tender, and then it's been fried with lots of oil to make it super crispy, and well, look at it. It's delicious. It's one of my favourite foods in the Philippines. Let's try the ketchup. I'm not sponsored by this brand, but this is a brand of ketchup. It's from it's UFC ketchup, and they have banana flavour ketchup. This isn't banana, this is just normal ketchup from there, but it's delicious. Happens to be my favourite. Let's try the soy sauce. Delicious. Let's try this. And the beautiful thing about the meat, it just falls off the bone. Crispy, tender, succulent. You don't even need a drink because it's that juicy. Tender and juicy. Alright guys, quick video. I just wanted to show you a sample of the Filipino food. Personally, crispy pata is one of my favourite foods in the entire world, in fact. I think that the Filipino food is underrated, and I want people to share this video, promote the Filipino food. Alright guys, until the next video, Ingat ka, take care.